It is heavier than my
What's up, YouTube?
For real?
Yeah. It was already recording. What's up, YouTube? Say hi to Honey.
Hey.
Alright. Welcome back to T and Toni TV.
Or welcome to T and Toni TV, because T ain't been here for a hot minute. It was more like Toni TV.
Girl.
Can you sit down? Can you sit down? Thank you.
Getting all that hair on me. Yes, it's been a lot of Toni and no T for a minute.
She by mommy.
But we're back with a special unboxing. So, before we do anything, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and comment. And let's get into it. It's looking real good.
Today we are going to do the unboxing of the iPhone 13.
And the iPhone 13 Pro Max.
When the last time you got a new phone?
When the 11 came out.
You wanna know when the last time I got a new phone? You wanna know?
What year?
2018.
Wow.
I still got my blue XR. I
Blue
love
XR that got stuck on SOS mode.
It called everybody, y'all. My parents, my sister called me panicking.
Her whole family thought something was wrong. We were just out eating dinner.
On my birthday.
Yep. Happy belated birthday.
Thanks, babe.
I don't think I actually told you happy birthday.
You put it on Facebook.
That counts.
This is my favorite phone.
But it's no more. So we're going to go ahead and send that to T-Mobile. So, you want to open yours first or what?
Sure.
It's so satisfying.
To unbox the phone?
Yeah.
You know, I ain't even unboxed my phone. I went to Apple and just walked up the store with it. Like,
Did they give you the box?
where'd she go?
The laundry room? The other door closed.
Oh, it's not black.
What is it?
It's midnight.
It looked blue.
Look navy blue. So in the box, you get the phone, of course. This is what the phone looks like. It comes with this nice little paper to cover the screen. I got Apple's new. What's she doing? Apple's new little charging mechanism. How they charge now? Yeah, the USB-C thingy.
To lightning. That's it.
Oh, a little thing to take out the SIM card. And of course the Apple sticker. That's what I got in my box.
Yeah. I mean, I think they're doing their thing as far as making the boxes smaller and reducing their carbon footprint. They ain't giving us a charger. We got to pay for the charger still.
Okay, but so even without that being said, we don't use charger blocks. We got a whole little charging system that charges the phone.
It's wireless.
Yeah, the wireless charging thingy. So why you mad? And then you bought blocks.
Yeah, I had to.
Man, open your phone. Because you mad for no reason.
Alright, let me go ahead and open my phone.
This is not a shoe unboxing. He's so extra. He used to do that with them shoes from Korea. Pop the tag. Ooh. Why your camera stick out so much?
They weren't from Korea. We were in Korea. What? I'm saying, if I'm in the country, I'm not going to say, I got these from Korea. Like, we're in Korea.
We got them from Korea.
That's like me getting a pair of Nikes, like, I got these from the U.S. I'm in the U.S. already. Here's the phone.
I don't know who you talking to.
This.
It ain't sexy. Don't say that.
What? It
don't
is.
Say that. It don't even look like no color.
Because it's black.
I thought mine was supposed to be black.
This is actual black, you know? Man, what happened to the plastic? It's white.
Oh, I didn't take mine off. Oh, let me take mine off. Move.
This motherfucker. Gotta bleep that. I don't want to get demonetized.
I like it. My case won't be here till Monday, so I'm not carrying my phone.
I like the squareness. It's like taking it back to, what was that, the 5? The 4? Yeah.
I don't know.
The 4.
Well, it don't really matter to me because I always get square cases. So
I don't. I got an 11 and it's round. So
let's turn them on. Do they turn on the same way?
and they ain't gonna do nothing special.
I gotta make sure it works.
Turn on.
Mine's already on.
My screen went dark.
Oh, I beat you.
No, you press yours first.
Why honey seem like that?
She first, I figure out what we doing.
So my screen, well, how big is my phone? 6.1? My specs, 6.1?
I don't even know what the specs are on this. I just know it's the biggest one.
So we're gonna do
in comparison.
like this.
Yeah.
There's your comparison.
That's the difference.
Yeah. Between the 6. The 13 and the 13 Pro Max. He couldn't just get the Pro. He had to get the Pro Max. Because the Pro and the 13 are the same size.
Yeah, I know.
I looked it up. I wanted the 13 mini, but
I wanted the 4K cinematic. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, this is too big for me.
Too big. This is like the same size as my current phone.
And I don't have your phone. Oh, let's see how much bigger it is than my phone.
Oh, it's trying to set up my phone already. I got too close to it. Let's do it.
So, the XR is just a little bit bigger. Yeah. Yep. That sucks.
It got too close, so I guess I gotta set it up. And I can't even stop the camera because it took over the screen. I can't stop it.
All right, guys. Well, that has been our unboxing of the. Why it say it won't? Your iPhone cannot be activated because the activation server cannot be reached.
Oh, that's weird.
Anyway, that was the unboxing video of the 13 and 13 Pro Max. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, comment, and share it with your friends.
And welcome T back to the channel.
Yeah, I'll probably be gone for a little while. Y'all know I'm pregnant. I'll be tired. I ain't got time. Ain't got time for these videos.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
Not that. Give me him. You typing the wrong stuff.
Oh, it's just numbers, right?
Yes. Crazy.
Appreciate it.
All right, guys. We'll see you next time here on Toni TV.
Peace. It's looking real good. That's what the people want. They want me to use the box cutter.
The people don't want it. The people don't want it.
Honey, really? Wow. Oh, yours wasn't even inflated. Yours is just a
So if my phone breaks, if it's broke, I'm sitting ready.
Then you got 2 broke phones.
You think you funny now?
I am funny.
Yeah. Yeah, because I got bumps.
We all got bumps.
I got pregnancy acne.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Can you see yourself? Is that good enough for you?
Yeah, but I ain't gonna look at myself the whole time. Look at the camera.
Okay.
Ain't that what you're supposed to do?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, I figured that.
It's heavy.
You dusty.
It's heavy. It's definitely heavier.
Put my phone down.
Wow.
Let me see. Oh my god, it's so heavy.